Hello and welcome to the third day here at Cloudfest 2021 on stage with RNT Rausch. Today we want to talk about storage business value. And first of all, we want to have a view on where data are coming from, who is producing data. And part of the data coming from human, of course. So we have about 7.8 billion people living on Earth. And more 60% of them, about 5.2 billion, are unique mobile phone users. But the really number of phone users are much higher because a couple of people have more as one phone. About 60%, 4.6 million, are internet users, and about 50% are active social media users. If you have an idea of how many data they are producing per minute every day, so for example, we have 347,000 Instagram uploads per minute. We have about 28 tracks uploaded in Spotify every minute, or we have about 147,000 photos which are uploaded in Facebook in every minute. The other part of data is produced by machines. And I want to take two examples. One is IoT and the other is autonomous driving. IDC expects by 2025 79.4 zettabyte produced data by IoT. And IoT is not only surveillance, IoT is sensors of machines who are delivering data, and this data is getting more and more rich because with this data, AI can afterwards analyze systems and optimize processes. If you have a look at the autonomous driving, we have 5 different levels of autonomous driving. And a level 5 car generates about 1 petabyte of data per year. Currently, it's estimated that we have about 19 zettabyte of stored data in the internet, and this amount is doubling in size every 2 years. So there's a big challenge how to store and how to handle this data, but on the other side, it's a really huge opportunity for each CSP to make a business with data and with storage. How we can handle this data, what this means to handle data. So we know storage is a critical part of our business, but they must be protected from attacks, and this gets more and more important. They must be available all times, and they must be available quickly because the customer and the end user expect that the data are always available at the fingertip. And the storage must grow on demand. So a customer or a CSP customer doesn't accept any out of storage or out of space message if you want to upload his data. How you can handle it? So we developed software-defined storage platforms where you can store the data as you need. It's based on our own hardware platform, Bigfoot, what is available in different sizes and types with HDDs, with multi-tiers, and as an all-flash system. And we are adding the software of the ISVs and our partners to complete our hardware to a ready-to-run software-defined storage solution. Let's have a look to our hardware family. You can see our Bigfoot storage system XX Large, which contains 48 hard disks, as well as 4 NVMe and 8 SATA SSDs. And we are supporting the Intel Optane technology with persistent memory to have a multi-tier system in one box. As an all-flash solution, we have different models, like a 1U with 20 or a 2U with 52 SSDs inside. So we're adding the software on top of this hardware. One of our partners, Acronis, with their Acronis Cyber Infrastructure Cluster, they have the integrated Acronis Backup Gateway and is used for a backup and archive solution. Cloudian is the only object storage platform which is 100% compatible with Amazon S3 and guarantees the compatibility. Quobyte is a parallel file system, a data center file system for low latency and high throughput workloads. For example, for Kubernetes, other containers, but for video on demand as well. Red Hat, well known as a Ceph scalable storage for different demand applications and multi-tiering. And Storepool is a full managed flash distributed block storage, really fast and scalable as well. All our SaaS solutions are scale-out architecture, so you can grow as big as you need or as you want. They are geo-redundant, so you can handle data not only in one data center, you can handle data over more as one geo-redundant data center. They are running on every standard x86 platform, and they are without any vendor login from the hardware side, of course. SaaS software-defined storage grows with your need and stores where you want. Thank you for your time. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to visit us in our virtual booth here at the Cloudfest exhibition. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care and stay healthy.